Okra is an incredibly beneficial and versatile fruit that offers a plethora of health benefits and can be used in various ways in the kitchen. Okra, Abelmoschus esculentus, or Hibiscus esculentus, is a flowering plant that belongs to the mallow family, Malvaceae, and produces large yellow flowers in a pod that measures 4 to 10 inches. It grows in warm climates in South America, the Middle East, and the southern United States. It is technically a fruit, but is eaten as a vegetable due to the rather savory taste, and is also known as lady's fingers, or lady's fingers, bindi, bendichaya, bamia or gumbo. When boiled, it becomes thick, so it is often added to soups, broths, and stews. It can also be pickled, fried, or sautéed. It is a rich source of minerals and vitamins, as well as fiber. A cup of okra provides about 40% of your recommended daily vitamin C needs, which boosts the immune system. High amounts of vitamin K that boosts bone health and improves blood clotting, vitamin A, which improves vision and prevents free radical damage, as well as magnesium, potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, and folate. Magnesium regulates blood pressure and blood sugar levels, potassium and calcium improve bone health and muscle function, and folate is essential during pregnancy, and it improves brain function and prevents anemia. Iron ensures the health of the blood, zinc protects DNA and strengthens the immune system, while dietary fiber improves digestion, and the multiple antioxidants eliminate free radicals. Here are some of the numerous health benefits of okra. Okra prevents blood sugar spikes after meals and reduces blood glucose levels. Okra protects the liver from damage and prevents liver disease. Okra naturally boosts energy levels and treats fatigue. Okra relieves stress and improves mood, and treats anxiety and depression. Okra has potent anti-cancer properties and reduces the size of tumors, especially skin and breast cancer cells. It reduces glucose absorption, lowers blood sugar levels, and is beneficial in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. The high amounts of dietary fiber keep you full and help weight loss. Okra contains no fat but is rich in compounds that lower bad cholesterol levels. Okra produces a gelatinous liquid that treats gastritis, peptic ulcers, and stomach aches. Okra boosts cognitive abilities and prevents diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and other degenerative neurological diseases. Okra treats asthma symptoms and other respiratory conditions and cleanses the lungs. Okra is generally safe to consume. However, note that okra can interact with some diabetes medications, and it should be avoided in case one suffers from gastrointestinal problems, kidney stones, vein thrombosis, and blood clotting. Always buy bright green okra pods, and avoid the ones with dark spots and cuts. You can eat the fruits fresh and slightly immature. You can keep okra in a brown paper bag in the refrigerator for no more than 2 to 3 days. Yet, you can also buy canned or dried okra. Okra water is one of the healthiest drinks, and here is how to prepare it. Wash 4 medium-size okra pods, slice down their ends, poke them with a fork on opposite sides or split them in half, and place them in an 8-ounce glass of water. Leave them to soak overnight, and in the morning, squeeze the goopy substance from the pods, discard them, and drink the healthy remedy.